Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to create this awesome color highlight muscle effect in Premiere Pro. I've already added the video clip to my timeline. First, duplicate the clip by holding the Alt key and dragging it to the layer above. Then, move playhead to the beginning of the timeline. Next, select the duplicated clip and go to the Effect Controls panel. Under Opacity, choose the Pen tool and create a mask around the muscle you want to highlight. If you hold the left mouse button, you can curve the mask lines for better precision. Click the Mask Path stopwatch to start keyframing. Move 5 frames forward by holding Shift and pressing the right arrow key. Then adjust the mask shape. Repeat this process until you reach the end of the clip.
Limited time offer. Get 50% off on all digital products. Just use the promo code 50OFF. Links are in the description. Don't miss out. Offer ends soon.
Now, let's add color to it. To do it, create a color matte layer like this and choose color you want. Then drag the color matte above the 2 video clips. Then select the duplicated video that we created mask. Then go to the Effect Controls and under Opacity, select Mask 1 and copy it. You can copy it by right-click on the Mask 1 and select Copy, or just select Mask 1 and press Ctrl+C button. Now, select the Color Matte video layer and go to the Effect Controls and select Opacity and paste the mask by pressing Ctrl+V buttons. Now we added color, but let's make it more professional look. For do that, add few feather like this and change blending mode to soft light or overlay. And that's it. If you have any questions, comment below. I'll reply as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.